Hi guys, welcome to the moon in Aquarius reading. I hope you're doing well and taking care of yourselves. I have linked the folder of the sun sign readings below if you wish to check them out and you haven't. Now, full moon, Scorpio. Things that are hidden come into light, and we're going through transformations, right? I gotta say, when I was pre-shuffling the cards, the Lovers popped out twice. Okay, the Sun. Here it is. This is complete Sun energy. There's just so much light. Like, I feel like you found the balance between yin and yang. And you're creating with the light. You're working on something. I feel like you're feeling sad. You're balanced. You're integrated the light. Like, here's a sun. Like, complete sun energy. Like, we're going to integrate more of our higher self. We have, I don't even know how to explain this. It's like, I feel like that's what you've been creating in the void. It's just light. It's like an explosion. Maybe you weren't even expecting so much light. That's what I feel like, but it's just like it blew you right open, and you're finding balance, and it's allowing you to do things you never thought you could do. There's the Seven of Cups. You're seeing through the illusion. But there is that light. Like, that light is allowing you to see what's important to you. With faith, there is our connection. There's the direct connection. In the Page of Cups. So here it's like you've been following the signs. That's how you've found faith. And I feel like you used to really like material things, but that's not what this is about anymore. Or someone always gave you material things, but this is not what this is about anymore. And remember, the message will resonate differently with everyone because you're all joining me here uniquely. And for whoever is resonating with this message, thank you for joining me. It's like you're balancing the light. You're balancing the light. We've been studying religion, our past, ancient wisdom. There's a definite connection to faith here. And I feel like even something activated with that new moon in Taurus. But this is emotional. And here it is. I felt like there was something more. That's why, and there's the death and transformation right there. There's the Scorpion energy. It's like now because you let so much light, you've created so much light. Inner child healing, it's like you found peace. You've integrated something. There's a flow of something, and it's like I feel like you're connected to a King of Cups. I don't know how else to say it. It's like you're connected to a King of Cups or Cups energy. And through this process yourself, you're connecting to your emotions. But you've been following the synchronicities, following the signs. You've found peace with the light's help. And there's your death and transformation. It's like you've literally found the key. And so, then something here, like what you're trying to accomplish, you're not sad anymore. You're just not sad anymore. Because something's going to blossom, something's going to bloom with that Scorpion moon. Something that's hidden is going to come to light. And for some of you, I really feel like this is somebody coming, unexpected. Wow. All right, we know things are hidden on the path of the moon as well, because we're gonna see what's hidden. Now we have Daughter of Wands and Mother of Wands. So there is the definite transformation within the card. And so the Daughter of Wands is a free spirit, a truly visionary creature. She usually waits until later to settle down and start a family. And she's busy with her career. She can be stubborn and much stronger than she looks, as with all the Wands family. This card can also represent a woman going through a transformation or a spiritual breakthrough. And there it is. The transformation we're talking about. And it's even within the card because now we're going from the Daughter to the Mother of Wands. The Mother of Wands is a vibrant woman and a happy mother. Family comes first in her world. She's very protective of it and is the dominant parent within her home. Though proud and determined, she has enough grace and beauty that you'd hardly notice her forceful nature. Oftentimes, she has overcome great pain or trauma in her life. It's important not to get on her bad side. And that's just the transformation, right? Because when we let in a lot of light, we're letting out and we're healing from a lot of pain. We don't want to try to project it, but we want to heal it within us, right? That's what inner child healing is about. And there it is, new loves. I give thanks for my new friendships. I welcome my new loves, my new acquaintances, knowing that we have intersected as part of a higher plan. I extend my heart and my hand to new people and new events, welcoming them home to their place in my world. And that's what I see for some of you in this card. Like some of you, someone is coming back. And it's unexpected. The symphony of life. Or you're meeting somebody new and it's unexpected. Spirit is the great conductor. I am given my cues. There is no need for haste. There is no place in me for impatience. Delays and detours to my limited vision are actually the perfect path unfolding to a higher eye. And this is what I can see in the Sun card. This is what I mean. It's like, this is the symphony of life you're creating here. Your life. And it's like, you just need to hang tight. It's like, anything that you think is not happening as fast as you want, or any situation that you're clearing out that has you really sad, just hang tight, because we're vibration changing here. And it's all going to be okay if we just have faith in our connection to the light and what's in our cup, what sustains us, right? What sustains us. I want to thank you for joining me here. I'll see you again soon. Take care.